Hi, Joe Cerrone with this week's weekly Zoom meeting. Today's November 16th, and I've released Module 10. Module 10 is on mechanical mates. If we take a look at that assignment, we have two assignments. This is 10B, and in 10B, we're going to go through and create this limit mate, and then we're going to also have this cam follower mate, which will then allow us to be able to kind of open and close this part. And then the other file that we have for this one will be our lab 10A. And our 10A is another mechanical mate with a rack and pinion, where we'll have this gear that will mesh with this pinion. So it's a pretty light assignment. If we go back and we look at some of the other information that's in chapter 10, 10 has our gear mate, and it also has our cam mate. And then it has an additional assignment for a cam follower, which would be bonus. You don't have to do this. And it has another additional assignment for this other assembly model with a bottom-up assembly. And bottom-up means you would open the file folder with all these different parts and then start to put them together with mechanical mates. Since I've already got a project that kind of encompasses that with the bench vise, my recommendation to you guys, since there's nothing due tonight, would be to work on the parts for the bench vise. And so work on getting these parts all drawn. And then once you have the drawings created, the assignment is to create an assembly model and an assembly drawing for those parts. And so that's my weekly Zoom meeting for this week. I'll see you all online next week. Stay healthy.